Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Here today doing my Persevere package week 3. I'm gonna set up this page so I can start the process. I have my watercolor that I'm gonna use. I'm gonna use this tip-in and let's get started. So I'm gonna spray the watercolors that I'm gonna use. Not sure if I'm gonna use that. I have my little glass that I use to put the colors in, and I have my water brush. I have my water here in the corner somewhere. Let's see, can I put it in here so you guys can see it? And I have a tissue. So let's see, I do want to put some splash of color. So I do want some light green. I'm gonna try to match up what's in the tip end. So I do want some green. That's very dark green, so I'm going to clean it up, and I'm going to clean it up so I can get some white to lighten it up, right? And we got some white, so let's lighten it up, and I'm going to get some yellow to make it more of that minty green. Then after that, it should be done, and I'm going to color in my watercolor. Let's see, make sure it's not. Get some of this yellow, and here it goes. So, yep, that's the color. Now it matches. Yay! So now that I have the color that I want, I think I need more yellow. More yellow. To clean it out until there's no color in there, because I don't want to put green on my yellow. There we go. So now that I have that, I can move my water because I no longer need that. And mix it up a little bit more. And I'm going to try to do the leaf in the corners because that's what seems like a better deal, right? Okay, let's see. I'm not an artist, so don't judge my painting. So I am just going to do a little bit of green leaf over here. But you know what? Practice makes perfect. I'm gonna need a little circle there. I think this is not the brush to do this with, but I feel more comfortable with the big brushes. Sad but true. That's what happens when you are not an artiste and you're trying your very best. And when you drink a dozen gallons of coffee, being sturdy doesn't help. I'm just kidding. So now I'm copying the leaves. I only want the leaves. As you know, I'm using my old I think this is my 2017 bullet journal. It was my first bullet journal, so I didn't manage it very well. I didn't use it that much. I still had some empty spaces. So I decided to use it for my Bible studies instead for the empty spaces. It's a great use for it, right? And it has been great that I've used it for that. At least I didn't leave it empty. I was able to use it. So, and I think this year's bullet journal, I should be able to use it all. I hope. So here we go. Let's see, you can dry it out. Have my heat tool to dry it out with. I don't want it to paint anything. Let's just hold it. I can do a second coat. Alright, so let's do a second coat. And maybe that'll give it a little more definition, don't you think? And then I'm gonna go through it to do the white markings with my white pen. I have a white pen. Alrighty, I think I did pretty good. There you go. Push it down some. Put it down here. There you go. That's it. Clean out my brush. Leave it in the water so it can clean up a little bit. Let's hit it one more time with the glue. And I'm going to go through it with my white. I got this from Amazon. It's your Uniball Signo. This is a really good pen. I had this other one that really didn't do anything. This one is really good. Make sure it's dry, and then I can go ahead and do the lines in white. This one does bring out white ink out of the other one that I had didn't really do anything. So this one is way better than the other one. I don't remember what was the brand. That's how bad it is. But this one does. This one is really good. If you want a white pen, I suggest you buy this one, which is the Signo Uniball. It's UM153. And I bought an Amazon pack of 3. So once that's complete, I'm going to put this somewhere around here. Ugh, I do have my Never Ready. Dual side tape from Tombow, permanent adhesive. And I just go like this, like that, close it up, and we'll put it somewhere around here. Alright, and that's it for today. I'm gonna answer one of the questions, which is, have I truly laid all at the foot of the cross? So I will be writing down. That is kind of personal, so I will be writing that down, answering that question for today. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, thumbs up. Hope you enjoyed the video. God bless.